Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern number poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. Select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of the artboard size. Change its color to black. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection of press Ctrl+2. Select the Type tool and type the number. Change its font to Poppins Medium. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Go to the Object menu, Path, and Offset Path. Set offset to 44, and hit OK. Go to the Edit menu and click on Cut. And then paste in front. Now select the Eraser tool, hold the Alt button, and erase the half part of it. Go to the File menu and click on Place, select your image, and place. Right-click on it, arrange and send backward. Hold the Shift button to select both. Right-click on it, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Select the image with the help of the Direct Selection tool and adjust its position and size. Now select the Type tool and type your text. Follow my text settings. Create a long bar rectangle of yellow color. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Use the gradient tool to adjust it. Finally, unlock the selection. Select the artboard tool and make a copy of it. Select the image using the direct selection tool and relink it. Change the color accordingly using recolor options. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.